Are you looking for foods that can help clear and give you glowing skin? Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video, we are going to share with you 10 amazing skin-friendly foods. First up, we have avocados, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that nourish and hydrate your skin. Next on our list is blueberries, packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help fight skin damage and promote a youthful glow. Don't forget about sweet potatoes, which are high in beta-carotene and vitamin C, crucial for the production of collagen and maintaining healthy skin. If you want to improve your skin's elasticity, try adding salmon to your diet, as it is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Let's not overlook the power of green tea. It contains catechins that can help reduce inflammation and protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Moving on, we have spinach, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants that can contribute to a brighter and clearer complexion. Next up is tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from UV damage and keeps it looking young. Adding almonds to your snack list can be beneficial due to their vitamin E content, which can protect your skin from premature aging caused by free radicals. If you want to hydrate your skin from within, make sure to include watermelon in your diet, as it is not only delicious but also rich in vitamins A and C. Lastly, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can help improve your skin texture and provide it with nourishment. With these 10 foods in your diet, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and achieve a clear and glowing complexion. Make sure to incorporate these ingredients into your meals and see the difference they can make in your skin health. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful skincare tips.